Hello and welcome to UBL TV. Today we are featuring the Feniex AM600 Beacon. The Feniex AM600 Beacon is a single color beacon light that comes in amber, blue, green, red, or white. It's SAE Class 1 certified and has 3 mounting options. It comes with a permanent mount. There's also a magnet mount or a pole mount available for an additional charge. The AM600 is a fairly good size with the diameter at 6.5 inches and the height at 4.4 inches. The LED really shines through, so there's no doubt you'll get someone's attention when this light is powered on. To power the unit, it features a cigarette lighter plug with on-off and a pattern changing switch, along with 10 feet of cable, which should be more than adequate. You can also hardwire this light by removing the cigarette lighter plug, and for that, we do recommend professional installation. Let me power the unit so we can take a look at some of the features and patterns. As you can see, it is one of the brightest beacons on the market and features 20 flash patterns, including single, double, triple, and quint. Each pattern also features a fast and slow speed. If you need more than one AM600 on your vehicle, the good news is that you can sync up to 6 units at once, which should be more than enough for most applications. The Feniex AM600 is priced at $99.99 and is a perfect safety light for any public works, commercial vehicle, or emergency vehicle. It is an extremely tough, weatherproof, and is easy to mount, whether permanent, on a pole, or using the magnet option. If you have any questions, let us know. You can contact us or visit the product page for full spec for the Feniex AM600 Beacon. Comment and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.